English Made Easy. Understanding the phrase, I found a coupon. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of English Made Easy. Today, we're going to delve into a commonly used phrase in English, I found a coupon. This phrase is not just about shopping but also offers a great opportunity to understand everyday English. Let's break it down together. The phrase, I found a coupon, seems simple, but there's more to it. Found is the past tense of find, which means to discover something by chance. A coupon is a voucher that allows you to get a discount or a special offer. So, when someone says this phrase, they're excitedly sharing that they've discovered a special discount or offer, usually for shopping. In this section, we explore how the phrase is used in everyday conversation. You might hear it in various contexts, like, shopping, I found a coupon for our favorite restaurant. Let's go for dinner. Online browsing. While browsing online, I found a coupon for free shipping. Sharing good news. Guess what? I found a coupon for the new book you wanted. Understanding this phrase helps in both shopping contexts and recognizing expressions of pleasant surprises in English. Coupons are a big part of shopping culture in many English-speaking countries. They represent not just saving money, but also the thrill of finding a good deal. Discussing coupons can be a way to bond, share tips, and even plan activities together. Understanding this can help English learners grasp more than just the language. It's about understanding a part of the culture. I hope this video helped clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, I found a coupon. Remember, learning English isn't just about words and grammar. It's also about the cultural and everyday contexts in which these phrases are used. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself becoming more and more comfortable with the language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.